We found our coconut man. So you just crack that open. Perfect. How much is a coconut?
30.
30,000. Awesome. Wow. It's ice cold as well. Oh, that's wonderful. That's what we need. Let's get our man his money. We've got a turf war going on there. Ooh, that's what we needed. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Words can't describe. You know what else is good? It's a plastic straw. We love a plastic straw. The turtles might not like it, but I certainly do. That's the boy or that. After our coconut adventure, which I'm drinking my second one now, I acquired another one. I'm going to get some of that food that lovely lady had to offer. She had some nice meat that she'd been grilling earlier and a big thing of rice. Let's try not to get sick, but it looks pretty good. Hello, I'm back. Hello. Yes, could I get some of this with some of this? I have no idea what that 30k sounds good to me. Let's do it. Let's have a plate of that. It looks really good. It smells lovely. I was walking past here earlier and the smell was good. Let's see how she does it. Yeah. Just gonna chop it up. Oh, little like pickles. Awesome.
Nó ghé nó bị hết rồi. Cơm không? Cá.
Wow. That looks delicious. Right, we'll pay up. Let me just put that there for a second. And that's 30, right?
Thank you.
Dip into the treasury. Thank you so much, thank you. Come on. Coconut with one hand, food with the other, thank you. Now we need to find somewhere to eat this. I might just find a little wall to stand on. She didn't seem to have tables, although I'm not quite sure how it works. But did she give me a spoon? I hope she gave me a spoon or I'm going to be able to look. I think she gave me a spoon. Actually, I might go back to the park, sit in the park and eat. Or somewhere with a wall I can prop it on. So we're in a little park here. We've still got our coconut, our second coconut. And I thought this is as good a place as any to eat our food. We could have sat, maybe found a little stool near her place, but unfortunately I think they were all taken up. So we've got our lovely box of goodies here. Oh, what's this? A bag of something. That might be like some sort of like fish sauce mix, I'm not quite sure. We might have to try that out. It's probably spicy, which is good. We've got a spoon and a wash. And our box of goodies with a nice elastic band on it. Let's have a look at this boy. If I can open it. Ta-da! Look at that, guys. That smells pretty good, actually. Oh my goodness. Get you a bit closer there. So you've got some lovely pork chopped up. I saw her barbecuing that literally 20 minutes ago, if that, when I was walking past. You've got some lovely pickled, that might be radish, I'm not quite sure. And then some lovely fried rice with some beans and carrots and bits and bobs, and it looks absolutely delicious. And let's have a go. Try the rice first, because you know. Wow, that's so good. Pardon me for talking with my mouth full. It's like a short grain rice. It's quite a little chew to it, very good, and the vegetables have a slight crunch. But there's still quite a lot of seasoning throughout the whole dish. I'm really interested in this pork. Let's try some of this out. Oh my days. You know when you walk past something and it smells amazing, and you're like, there's no way it's gonna taste as good as it smells. It tastes as good as it smells. When I walked past there earlier, she had the little barbecue going with the coals. You can really taste that charcoal flavour on the pork. It's so succulent, really tender. Let's try some of this. This looks a little devilish, doesn't it? A little spicy maybe. Smells a little sour. Crunchy. The closest thing I can compare that to is kimchi. Tastes very much like a kimchi. I'm not sure if that's a radish or like cabbage, because some of it looks a bit like it could be a mix actually. Like that looks like a cabbage leaf to me. Tastes like one too. But then these bits here look like a daikon radish. Really crunchy. The rest of the dish is quite soft, so that crunch with a little acidity and that slight sourness from the fermentation, pairs wonderful. This was 30,000. I just realised this was £1. All of that was £1. I'll put the actual price up right now within the different currencies. Wow. Bargain. Let's have a bit of rice with some pork. Wow, wonderful. Oh no, my bag. Let's not make a mess, guys. Right, and we've also got this, and I believe I've watched a few YouTube videos in my time. I believe what people do is they like bite the corner of the bag. Watch me just get it all over myself. What did I say? And I've got it all over myself, so that's wonderful. Wow. I didn't expect it to squirt out me like that. And it's a little spicy, and I've just had a shave, so it's burning my face quite nicely. Right guys, well, it tastes a little spicy. Not very though, I don't know how to describe it. Like a little sour, not even like fish sauce, I don't know how to describe it, but it is quite nice. I think it actually is maybe a little bit better without it. Let's have some coconut. But nonetheless, very good. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this one. I'm going to finish eating that, and then I assume I probably have stuff all over my face still, yes. And then I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Bye.